You can use code to manipulate and to create charts in Excel. One of the most important things regarding charts and code is how we refer to that chart. And there's two ways we can refer to a chart in Excel because there's two possible places that chart could reside. That chart could reside as an object embedded inside of a worksheet, in which case we would have to refer to the worksheet and then the chart object in that worksheet, and we'd have to activate it. If we activate it, we can do things like changing axis titles, chart titles, data tables and data labels and other objects regarding the chart. But if the chart is in its own sheet, then we would refer to the chart sheet by its name inside of double quotes and inside of brackets, and we would activate the sheet that way. So let's have a look. I've opened a file called Chapter 13. I've saved it as Chapter 13 Done. And I can see here that I've got some basic data. I'd now like to record a macro, so I'll click Record Macro and I'll name this macro Make Chart. And I'll click OK. I would now like to record selecting A1 to B4, and I'll go to the Insert tab in the ribbon and I'll insert just a column chart. And just the basic column chart, clustered column. When I click on clustered column, I receive a clustered column chart. I'd then like to click on the chart title and I'll edit the title to say price and units. I'd then like to add some axes titles. So I'll go to my plus, I'll go to axes titles, rest on the little black arrow, and I'll start with a primary vertical. I'll also turn on primary horizontal. So I've turned on two axis titles. I'll click on this particular axis title and I'll edit it to say scale. I'll click on this axis title and edit it to say dollars. And that's all I really want to do with this chart. So I'm now going to stop recording. Let's have a look at the code that created this chart. I'll go to my Visual Basic Editor, I'll go to my Modules folder, and I'll double click Module 1. And you can see here how much code is involved in creating a chart. So I don't think at any point in time you'd actually write code to create a chart. You would in fact use a macro, and that would save you having writing all of this. You can though modify a chart by getting into its code. For example, here is the chart type. It's an Excel column clustered. I could, if I wanted to, change the chart type to a different type of chart. Here is the title, price and units. I could edit that. And further down you'll find other things that look familiar, such as scale and such as dollars. So typically we would modify the chart code after having created it with a macro. What I often like to do though is I often like the user to be able to choose what range they want to chart. So I'll stop this video for now and do that in another video.